Hashtag journal care. This is part of the 30-day challenge to do a visual journal to kind of document our situation through the COVID experience. If you've ever heard of Inktober, then you'll understand the format for this particular project. I'm one of several presenters that is working with Michelle Harrell, part of the Museum of Art of North Carolina, and also this is being done through the National Art Education Association. So the theme for today is Moments of Hope. And the idea of this is that we're looking at things that give you hope during the crisis and then creating a visual journal about that particular theme. So what is your moment of hope? Is it some time in the garden and watching things grow while you're stuck at home? Does that give you hope? Is your to-do list or your honey-do list getting shorter? Is that something that gives you hope? Are you reinvigorating a relationship because now you're in the same space all the time? Is that giving you a moment of hope? Are you connecting with family online through Zoom or other kinds of meetings and making connections stronger again and remembering how important family is? Does that give you a moment of hope? Or maybe you're a survivor of COVID or someone in your family is, and that gave you hope. So whatever you interpret it as, that's going to be our theme for today. So I've been doing this with my students, and I'll have some links in the description. They've been doing their COVID-19 altered books. But we're doing this as more of artists and teachers. So our theme again is Moments of Hope for today. And this could be done through a collage of photographs. It could be done as a painting, a drawing, maybe a 3D pop-up, possibly illuminated text. It's really up to you to determine how you're going to be doing it. So I did my student version. My little moments of hope that I shared with my students were a photo collage of things that I've been doing that have kind of made me feel good during the crisis. But now I'm going to be working on my more professional book, and this is a much larger journal supplied by my sister. And I've already done my inside cover, which has some cross-out poems and news from the early parts of the crisis. And I'm hoping to finish it up with information about finding a cure. So if you're low on supplies, if you look in my description, I'll have a link to how you can make some homemade art supplies. Links to my student book in case this is something you'd like to do with a younger person. And then links to the 30-day challenge, hashtag journal care. Thank you, and have fun creating.